Hi everyone, welcome to our amazing automotive products channel. Today video is about
towing ATV winches.
Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to get latest videos from our amazing channel.
Let's talk about SuperATV's Black Ops Series winch line. You might ask, why buy a SuperATV Black Ops winch? Well, we have synthetic rope, sealed gears, a wireless remote, and to top it all off, it's a good looking winch that adds some style to your machine. If you're anything like us here at SuperATV, sometimes we run into unforeseen predicaments out on the trail, and it comes in handy to have a winch on your machine. With winches ranging from 3,500 pounds all the way up to 5,000 pounds, we have a winch ready for your riding style. We all have that one friend, and maybe it's you, that's always getting stuck in a mud hole, hung up on a hill, or wedged between some rocks. These winches are up to the task to get you out of the jam. These winches come with a 50-foot synthetic rope to give you plenty of leeway to reach the nearest pulling point.
Adrenaline, determination, and horsepower have been getting mankind into trouble for decades. When it comes to bailing them out, Warn has always been at the head of the class. Leaving the competition in the dust, we've completely reimagined and re-engineered our Powersports winches. Introducing the VRX. Backed by 3 decades of proven, reliable performance, VRX has rewritten the rules for high-performance winches with the performance features and bomb-proof reliability that only Warn can offer. Part winch, part workhorse, 100% Warn. VRX is the trusty farmhand, ready for any task, any terrain, any challenge. Or the reliable hunting partner who delivers reliable pulling power that is fast, quiet, and more efficient than ever. And an easy-to-handle clutch dial that's based on the proven Warn 4-wheel drive hub lock know-how, plus a mechanical brake and high-efficiency motor. VRX is built to keep the water and the out. The gloss black powder fasteners looks great. It's rust and corrosion. The VRX vital component impact and damage. Read is up. The best-in-class big power with low amp sustained pulls. The Warn VR with the option of steel or center increased diameter rope that is engineered to exceed, giving you the strength to take on any task. With the choice of 25 horse pulling capacity, designed for trails or work in the land, allow you to take having fun, job done to pull. VRX, generation of powersport winches from Warn. For more information, go to warn.com. Determination and horsepower have been getting mankind into trouble for decades. When it comes to bailing them out, Warn has always been at the head of the class. Leaving the competition in the dust, we've completely reimagined and re-engineered our Powersports winches. Introducing AXON. Backed by 3 decades of proven, reliable performance, AXON has rewritten the rules for high-performance winches with game-changing technology and bomb-proof reliability that only Warn can offer. Rocky terrain, unpredictable conditions, and unexpected challenges can make the most seasoned off-roader feel the heat. These are the extreme riders who will appreciate the all-new Warn AXON with dissipating heat, extending the winch's duty cycle performance for longer, harder pulls. A powerful construction, earning it an IP68 waterproof rating, and an easy-to-handle clutch dial that's based on proven Warn 4 hub lock was built. The satin black finish with stainless steel fasteners are proven corrosion resistant. Rigorous salt spray testing, including Made in environments, mud, sand, water, and, well, just deliver technology and brute force on in any situation. 4500 and the all-new. You also get the option of steel or increased diameter rope that is engineered to giving you the strength to task. Land. These new winches will allow you to job done to a whole new level. The new generation of premium Powersports winches from WARN. For more information, go to warn.com.
Your time is important. Whether it's for play or work, it shouldn't be wasted trying to find the right electrical part. We focus on the growth, process, and quality of our products to enable our customers to take their children to school, build that new road, go fishing on your boat, or plow that field to grow produce.